julle, dit is Juffrou Adina hierso. Ek hoop alles gaan goed. I hope you are very well. Today we are going to do our career words. Vandag gaan ons loopbane woorde oefen. First, let's practice together. Eerste, gaan ons saam oefen. Nurse, verpleegster. Dokter, dokter. Teacher, onderwyser. Police officer, polisieman. Nou kan jy 'n pen en papier gaan haal om dit neer te skryf. Now you can grab a pen and paper and practice writing it down. Are you ready? Okay. Verpleegster. Dokter. Onderwyser. Polisieman. Thank you, have a lovely day. Baie dankie en totsiens.